Hello students, this is an initiative taken by STD-5 English High School, CBSE. This is an online audio and video lessons. Hello students, I am Ms. Madhumita Tarafdar from STD-5 English High School going to teach you Chapter 8 of Computers for Standard 5. The topic is Basics of the Internet. As you have seen from the topic itself, it is based on Internet. Okay. So let's go with the video. First question arises, what is internet? I think all of you have heard about internet, and during this pandemic you all are doing online classes and going with the online videos. So all this is happening only because of internet. So without the internet there would be we cannot even do now single thing without the internet. Okay, so internet is the major part of our lives now. Okay, so what is internet? So what the name says, internet means interconnected networks. Okay, it actually refers to interconnected networks or a huge network of computers around the world, or you can say a network of networks. Okay, means internet is what different type of networks are connected and become a internet. Different kind of network from all over the world, they all are connected, because as if you know that if you are using Airtel network in your home, if someone is using Geo network, someone is using Vodafone or other thing, so different networks people are using. But it's anytime it happens that a network says that we are not going to connect with, Airtel is saying that we are not going to connect with Geo, or Geo is saying that we are not going to connect with Vodafone. No, this never happens, because all these different networks are connected to a single network that is known as the internet. So in this way the whole world is connected to a network, and that network is referred to as the internet. It is actually a group of computers connected together, is known as internet. Okay, and it is also known as net. And if you want to say that it is one more name is there, that is cyberspace. It is also called a cyberspace. Why it is called a cyberspace? Because it is a huge storehouse of information. Your internet is actually a storehouse of information, a huge storehouse of information, where they are this information are accessed by millions of people at the same time. Means if you are using the internet, there are million of people using the internet at the same time. Okay, so if I am using, you are also using, all of us are using the internet at a single time. We all are using the internet, so it is accessible to millions of people, and it is actually known as the storehouse of information, or the cyberspace. It is also known as the cyberspace. So hope you have understood what is internet. It is a network of networks, or you can say interconnected network. Okay, next one, that is history of the internet. Okay, what is the history of the internet? From where the internet came? So we all want to know that answer. Okay, from where the internet has came, from where it born. Actually it was born in 1969, and it was USA. In USA, the Department of Defense has set up a network that is known as ARPANET. You can see here the full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It is actually known as ARPANET. USA has set up, the Defense Department of USA has set up this ARPANET to communicate between three computers in Utah. Utah was a city, and California is also a city. So in between these two cities, that is in Utah and California, they are actually having four computers they are having, and that four computers, they want to be in the touch of each other. So for that they have developed the ARPANET, and it was used to communicate between three computers in Utah and one in California. And actually it was built to share their information, that is their secret informations in the field of science and technology. They have they have to share it. It was aimed to do these things, but later, since the Department of Defense has allowed the universities also to join the network for sharing their resources. Since they are researching in science, field of science and technology, so they have told the universities, that is the universities in USA, are told to connect with this network. So they have connected with themselves with the ARPANET, and later gradually it grew bigger and bigger, and now it has taken the shape of the internet, that is which we are using now. So now the name has changed from ARPANET to internet. So now you understand why internet, how the internet arrived. So internet arrived in 1969 by Department of Defense of USA. Okay, and it was first communication was between 3 computers in Utah and 1 with California. Later the universities arrived, and now gradually it become bigger. Next is uses of internet. So you all know the uses of internet. Nowadays you all are using internet. The first use is to retrieve information, to retrieve any sort of information under the sun. We can get any information from the internet. Okay, whatever information related to any of the topic, you can find it on the internet. Related to your projects, you can find information. Related to your research, those who are doing any research, they can find information. If you are reading books, you can find books in internet. If you are doing some research or some type of things, that also you can get from internet. So you can retrieve information from the internet. For you, for business, you can, and the information can be of XYZ, that is related to business, related to sports, related to finance, related to politics, entertainment, etc. Whatever you need, you can find the information on the internet. Okay, next is you can send messages. So nowadays we all are sending that, like emails. You can send emails, you can send to anyone around the world. It does not need any person to take your letter and give it to the other. You just need the email ID of the person, wherever he may reside around the world, wherever he may reside or she may reside, you can send the email to XYZ person. Okay, next, you all are doing chat. So like WhatsApp is also a part of internet itself. So WhatsApp chat or Yahoo messengers are there. So many messengers are there, so many chats are there. So in any way you can chat in the internet. Okay, to your friends, with your families, with your relatives, using the internet. So it can be either using WhatsApp is also a type of chat, and it is using the internet only. Next is the most important thing nowadays we all are doing is online shopping. So online shopping is also a part of, that is, use of, we are using internet for online shopping. We can buy things, we can deliver it directly to our homes, we can deliver it to your relatives also. So online shopping is also a major part of internet. So nowadays we all are doing the online shopping. So these are the uses of internet. Okay, so till then, thank you. In the next video I will be showing you the next part. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.